Hey guys, so back to another video. So I'm doing another t-shirt transformation and taking this t-shirt and making it into a two-piece outfit that is suitable for hopefully the beach. So we're just going to get started and cut out our design from this dress. So just take any old dress that you have and we're going to cut the length of the sides of the dress up to the sleeve hole. So once you get to the sleeve cap, stop right there at the end and then you go follow the line of the stitching of the sleeve and just cut the excess. And that'll make the drape effect underneath your arm. And then you go ahead and cut away the excess on the sides. I like mine a little bit more fitted, so I cut away the side, the bottoms of the skirt. So then you just go ahead and trace. You're going to trace out the entire top using an old top, crop top. I prefer to use bra. If you'd like a training bra, it's probably the most appropriate if you don't have a crop top like this or a crop tank. So then I go ahead and fold it in half and cut the like a square collar in the front and back, and so I don't cut it completely squared off. I curve it towards the bottom so basically it won't stretch out. So then I go ahead and unfold it, and what I'm going to do next is cut out the openings for my shoulders, giving that cold shoulder effect. So here I'm taking about half or a third, well no, half the sleeve, and going ahead and cutting that part out so that I can have the cold shoulder. Now I'm going to make the points on both sides of the shirt so that I have equal space markings for the cord or string, whatever you want to call it, to go through the skirt and the top. So basically, since this is no sew, this is basically how you're going to keep the skirt together and keep the top together. And if you guys wanted me to slow down some of this work, like some of the sewing work, let me know. I will be putting my full videos on my website with more helpful hints. Now here I'm just cutting out the strings or cords, whatever you want to call it, that will go inside the sides of the skirt and top. I was going to originally make that into a waistband and just have it extended up, but then I realized I didn't have that much fabric left over or t-shirt fabric left over to make the cords, so I went ahead and just used that for the cords. I could have just used a whole nother t-shirt or kind of like scrapped it together using the excess, you know, there's like little excess pieces of t-shirt and stuff. I could have used that to make the cord by sewing those little pieces together, but I didn't feel like doing that or sewing it together, so I went ahead and used the middle of the garment or the t-shirt, since I was going to separate it anyways, and went ahead and made that use that to make the cord or string. So now I'm just trying to string it across. Now I didn't tape the entire, or me entirely doing this, so I'm just gonna skip ahead to the reveal because that was the last step. Please excuse the bad video quality. We learning. I'm not talking much out here because it's like a lot of birds and bugs, so I might just use all this bees. Here is the two-piece. I would wear this to the beach. If I get to the beach this summer, it's definitely going in my bag. Put it underneath my bathing suit because it's real comfortable and can throw it right on. And I like that it covers my arm loads. Fold over low for my arm because my arm's big. They're strong though, I'm saying. This is strong. But it's a loaf, so it covers that up. Look, gives it a little drape effect, and I really like that. And then a zigzag here, so this is completely wash the nibs, non-sewn.
So this is a non-sew DIY cuss t-shirt that I did literally in like 10 minutes. So let me know if you guys want to see a nail video, because I'll do a let's do my nails. I'm not professional, but I like to do them. Yeah, let me know. But yeah, since it's really short, I would definitely wear this in the summertime when I'm like having something, you know, swimsuit, go out in, I don't know, but I suggest drawers. Did the same kind of cut out on the front that I did on the back, left in the seam on the so here's that. And then just pull in the drawstrings on the side to make it tight. And you put it. Tuck it in the back of the front. You're good. And you just do that on both sides. And you're good. But you can adjust the size by pulling the strings as well. I don't believe in bras, clearly. I always struggle with them. But here you go. Smell it. Better angle of the skirt. Last video was pollen. This video was mosquitoes. Wonderful. And bees. And a bee. I'm going in. I hope you really liked it. Excuse my boobs. Thank you for watching. And please visit my channel and my Instagram. And it's Najla. And I'll have my link in the description below. Bye. You know, I was trying not to sew anything. I didn't sew anything.
Oh, you didn't sew anything? Oh, so sewless. Yeah. Okay, well, that's cool. No, that works. You can just adjust.
No, I'll probably end up like putting, we'll bring it down with that. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, you just pull it down farther in the back.
That's so cute. I like that. Girl, check you out. Oh, he's not asleep.